Welcome to Low Carb Cocktails. I'm Frank, the Low Carb Cocktail Guy. By viewers' request, we're going to try another tiki drink. Tiki is really hard to do low carb, mainly because of the fruit juices, specifically the pineapple oranges. There's a lot of carbs and sugars in those fruits. So trying to find tiki recipes that don't include a whole lot of that is pretty difficult. But I did come across one specific one. This is Trader Vic's Planter's Punch. Now, there's a lot of different versions of this recipe. You can find them all over the place. This particular one I came across on YouTube. I want to give a big shout out to Distinguished Spirits for sharing this video with everyone. And I'm going to show you how to take this recipe and make it low carb. Oh, before we get started, I want to make sure that y'all check out Distinguished Spirits video right here of the same recipe where it's not low carb. Just straight out like it should be in any tiki bar that you would order this from. So let's go ahead and get started. So in the mixing glass, we'll do 3 ounces of dark rum. And I'll be using Bacardi Black today. So, in our glass, we're going to go ahead and put in 3 ounces of dark rum. You can use whatever dark rum you like. I think this is supposed to be Jamaican rum, I think. Again, watch the video from Distinguished Spirits and they give you a lot more details and history and breakdown. It's a really good channel. I really enjoy watching their videos. It's very informative outside of just a recipe. So we have that there. We're going to go with some citrus juice next. I'll go with lemon and lime. Let me get my juicer and my knife. So this is going to use 1 ounce of lime juice and ½ ounce of lemon juice. So put our lime. Now, you've seen a bunch of my videos where I use concentrate juice. What that's going to do is give you a 0 carb count on your lemon and lime juice. We're going to go ahead and make this pretty fresh today, so we're going to use fresh juice. Fresh lime juice is about 2.5 grams of carbs per ounce. And the fresh lemon juice is about 1 gram of carbs per ounce. So we have 1 ounce of the lime juice. I'm going to go with a ½ ounce of the lemon juice. There's the ½ ounce. Now from here, we're going to add ½ ounce of grenadine. Grenadine is another ingredient that is super high in sugar. What I've come across, if you get a chance to visit their website or anything, is Monin Syrups. They have a great sugar-free lime and they have a pomegranate syrup. What is grenadine? Pomegranate syrup. Now, this is a 0 carb. I don't know if they actually call it 0 carb. The carb count on the bottle is 3 grams of carbs per ounce. But it is made with erythritol, which is a sugar alcohol. And it doesn't absorb into your body like sugar does, so that's one good thing about erythritol over some other sweeteners. But the other thing is, it's a pure sugar alcohol, so when you're deducting net carbs, you can take, in most cases, every one of those carbs out as a net carb. So we're going to go with a ½ ounce, or with these pumps that Monin provided, that's going to be 2 pumps. And I want to say now, thank you to Monin for providing me with some of these samples. But guys, this is not something I purchased. They did send me these. So I want to kind of review these and let you know how these do. And as you see, I've used a ½ a bottle of this pomegranate syrup already using other different cocktails. Delicious, delicious syrup. All right, so there we have the rum, lemon juice, lime juice, grenadine. The other is a 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. And for sugar, we're going to be using Splenda. Now, the recipe calls for 1/4 teaspoon, and that's about 1 of my bar spoons there. Now, when I had this one, it was real sour. So if you like a real sour drink, stop here. I like mine a little bit sweeter, so I'm going to go ahead and do an additional 1/4 teaspoon, so that'll be a ½ teaspoon of Splenda. and that's going to have less than 1 gram of carbs in there. From here, we're going to add some ice to our mixing glass. And we're going to mix this very well until it's nice and chilled. You want to stir this for about 30 to 45 seconds until the glass itself becomes pretty cold. Next thing you're going to need is a tall Collins glass with crushed ice. And I have just that here in my little freezer. So from here, just going to have to pour this over the crushed ice. Now for the crushed ice, what I did is put it in a Ziploc bag, beat it with a rolling pin. Shortly after that, I realized I needed 2 Ziploc bags because after the second whack, there was ice everywhere. So if you don't have a Lewis bag and mallet, which I don't, and I probably need to get one, as Distinguished Spirits mentioned, you wrap it up in a bar towel, give it a good whack there. Don't have any bar towels either. I'm gonna do this out of my kitchen, but I do want to use just a regular kitchen towel. So put them in a Ziploc bag, double the Ziploc bag, then give it a good pounding, and that was good to go there. So I think that looks like I'm done. Whoa. Yes. All right. Oh, that's so much better for me personally with that little extra Splenda in it. So guys, let's do a quick carb count on this. The dark rum from Bacardi we use today is 0 grams of carbs. The lime juice is going to have 2.5 grams of carbs. Lemon juice is going to have 0.5 gram of carbs, so we're going to use a half ounce of lemon juice. So that is 3 grams of carbs so far, 0 grams of carbs, or according to Monin, less than 1 gram of carbs in their pomegranate syrup. Splenda, half a teaspoon is going to be less than 1 gram of carbs. So let's call that a half and a half. Top it out as much as we can to be realistic about it. This cocktail is going to have 4.5 grams of carbs. Really low, great tiki cocktail. All right, guys, that is it. Thank y'all for watching. Give us a thumbs up. Make sure you click subscribe and share our videos with your friends. Let them know what we're doing so we can help you and them out. Y'all have a great day. I know I will.